Good morning. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash update for this Monday, the 22nd of April, 2024, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. There's an event taking place. Let me explain what I think is going on. As you know, on Friday, we saw the attack by Israel. No response from Iran over the weekend. It certainly sounded to me like both sides. Tit for tat, done, let this sit. The market's adjusting. So the war premium comes out of the gold market. The war premium comes out of the silver market. I don't think there was a war premium in copper. It's just being pulled down, I think, by the fact that the other metals are lower today. To back up my thinking, look at how much you're down today in the energies. And if you take a look at where this market was on Friday after the big rally that occurred with the hitting of the missiles by Israel and Iran, you see that the market had a peak at that moment and come back down. So as usual, what happens is the Johnny-come-latelys that go rushing into these markets and think, this is it, this is where the big war, the world's coming to an end. They got their heads handed to them as the market is correcting a little bit here. We're also looking at markets that in the dollar continuing to get its bid. Why? What has really changed? The Fed's going to probably stay on hold. Could well be not getting a cut this year. There's a very big potential for that. That makes the dollar stronger, the euro weaker. You know, I did a special report on that. In the Japanese yen, the market will push on it until it sees where intervention comes in. The words aren't doing the trick for Japan. It either intervenes or it doesn't intervene, or it makes a change of some type at its upcoming monetary policy meeting. I think it's at the end of this week, so you've got to pay attention to that. In terms of the data today, well, we get the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. That comes out at 7:30. It's not a big report. Stock earnings, this is big. Nearly 170 S&P companies, a third, report this week alone. A number of the tech giants, not NVIDIA, that report's in May. But you'll get the other big boys coming out. Tesla comes out tomorrow. We'll see what they do. It was interesting what Musk said. He said, since our sales are down, maybe we really have to cut 20% of our workforce to match what that is down. It's actually probably a good idea. In Salesforce, you saw that they're backing away from a purchase that was in the billions, and their stock will be up a little today. And other than that, I think it's just a matter of watching, seeing how accurate this turns out to be. I put out a bunch of recommendations in the morning in my morning subscriber video. And for those of you that took them, let's see how the market goes for us. But right now, the dollar seems to be working, and that's what I'm geared on. I'll catch up with all of you at the end of the day in our market review. Remember, you can go to our website, iraepstein.com, for our free offers at any time, iraepstein.com. And if you look on the left, you'll see free offers. Give it a click and sign up. I'm Ira. See you then.